Hey everyone, and welcome back to Wordy Tales. Have you ever set a huge, ambitious goal, like learning a new language, getting in shape, or writing a book, only to feel completely overwhelmed and give up after a few weeks? In no primera vez, we often think that big changes require massive, dramatic efforts. But what if I told you the real secret to achieving these big dreams lies in something much smaller? It's the power of tiny, consistent actions. Think about it. A single drop of water seems insignificant, but over time millions of drops can carve a canyon through solid rock. It's the same with our goals. Instead of trying to run a marathon tomorrow, what if you just committed to a 10-minute walk today? Instead of trying to write a whole chapter, what if you just wrote one single sentence? This is the magic of what some people call atomic habits, or the 1% rule. The idea is simple. Focus on getting just 1% better every single day. It doesn't sound like much, does it? 1% is tiny, almost unnoticeable. But the compounding effect is where the real power is hidden. If you improve by just 1% each day, by the end of the year, you'll be nearly 38 times better than when you started. That's not just a small improvement. That's a total transformation. On the flip side, if you get 1% worse each day, you'll decline almost to zero. The daily choices we make, no matter how small, steer our lives in a certain direction. The key is to make these small steps so easy that you can't say no. Want to read more? Don't tell yourself you have to read a whole book. Just commit to reading one page before bed. Want to learn to play the guitar? Practice for just 5 minutes. The goal is to build a system of consistency, not to chase a moment of intensity. Intensity fades, but habits stick. When you start small, you're building momentum. Each time you complete your tiny action, you get a small win. This floods your brain with a sense of accomplishment, making you more likely to repeat the action tomorrow. You're not just building a habit, you're building a new identity. You're not just trying to run, you are becoming a runner. You're not just trying to write, you are becoming a writer. So, look at your big goals. Break them down. Then break them down again until you have an action so small it feels almost ridiculous. That's your starting point. That's your first tiny step. Forget about the finish line for now and just focus on taking that one step today. Then do it again tomorrow. Before you know it, you'll look back and be amazed at the mountain you've climbed. One tiny, consistent step at a time. What's one small step you can take today towards a big goal? Let me know down in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe to Wordy Tales for more insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.